Hello, 1, 2, 3, mic testing. Hi, I'm Shalini Hasija. I head training and quality for the customer experience function of TBO. So COVID was a difficult time for everyone, including myself. Those of us from the travel industry know well how badly it was hit. I was thinking of what to do, and it struck me that kuch naya karte hain. Let's think of this as an opportunity rather than a problem. And I decided to move to Dubai and try my luck here. Luckily, while all other travel companies were not hiring, TBO was hiring. Well, it's been 2.5 years since then, and in these 2.5 years, I've grown immensely with TBO. I started off as a manager in the sales effectiveness team, and just 6 months down the line, I was given this beautiful opportunity to start a completely new team, the training and quality team in the customer experience function. And I started as one, and now we're a team of 12. The TBO core value that I resonate most with is care. It's not just on the brochure. We actually see it being practiced in the organization, towards each other, as well as externally for our customers. I'm glad to be part of this global team, which truly feels like family.